Not only does beetroot makes a hell of a natural hair dye, it also tends to improve the health of your hair and leaves you feeling like a Disney princess. Hello lovelies, in today's video we are going to be looking at the health benefits of beetroot to the hair, skin and the body entirely. To make this magic juice, I'll be needing some carrots, apple, ginger and also beetroot, which is the main ingredient here. So now let's look at some benefits of beetroot. Beetroot juice contains calcium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin B and vitamin C, which altogether helps to increase blood circulation throughout the scalp, thereby makes scalp healthy and endorses hair growth. The bright red colored juice of sweet taste is known to be a superfood for its tons of benefits, from our health to our skin to our hair. It can do good to almost all parts of the body naturally. Beetroot juice is very low in calories, loaded with antioxidants and tons of minerals, which are sodium, potassium and magnesium, also iron and the rest. The high dietary fiber content of beetroot helps in digestion while making bowel movement easy and averting constipation. It keeps liver healthy, cures anemia, reduces inflammation, and also fights against cancer. It promotes detoxification and also improves stamina. Applying beetroot juice to the hair helps to prevent hair loss. The nutrients present in beetroot are protein, vitamin A and calcium, which helps to ensure healthy growth of the hair. Besides this, beetroot helps to tighten the pores of the scalp and reduces hair fall. More benefits of beetroot juice to the hair is that it prevents baldness, reduces scalp itching, prevents dandruff, and also nourish the hair. It also adds some shine to the hair. This magic red juice is a great blood purifier, which is a key in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. The vitamin C content in the beetroot helps in clearing blemishes and even out your skin tone while giving it a natural glow. It gives a bright and pink complexion, cures dark circles, lightens dark lips, and also gives a smooth and silky skin. Beetroot can help you have an ageless beauty that you've always dreamed of. Packed with antioxidants, beetroot is very helpful in warding off the early sign of aging and fine lines. It increases the skin elasticity and prevents sagging skin, thereby gives you a young-looking skin. Incorporate beetroot into your daily diet and see wonders in your hair and skin. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to share this video. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.